Jamaica. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. You have been affected by this recent pandemic. And despite what anybody says during this time of outbreak, I felt so much safer with you. But unfortunately, I was forced to go to the United States, where I was then taken and locked up abroad, quarantined in my own home.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman Etan?
The pussy them all have drone and watch me. Right? Alright. Oh no feel like say no keep me in here, so alright, what's that style, yo?
The suspect is on the run. I repeat, the suspect is on the run. On your knees, Usain Bolt.
Why? Me not go on my knees for no man.
I said on your knees.
Alright. You know when last me breed, girl? Eh? You see, Uno worse than Corona. I can't breathe nothing. And Uno stifle me.
Get back in the house. I repeat, get back in the house, Bob Marley. Right now, you will not be breathing on any girls. Right now, you need to quarantine and chill out.
Listen up, me not go back in a no house. Me done with quarantine. Me not even feel sick.
Listen to me, Kimani Marley. If you do not get back in that house, we will deport you.
Oh, no, really threatening to deport me? Deport me go away. Jamaica lock them borders.
Damn it.
You see right now? Jamaica come in like one vex girl. Borders closed. Shop lock.
Okay, well, if you do not comply, we will shoot.
What? Alright. Shoot me then. And make sure say don't miss. Send me for go see Jesus' face. Make me have some company.
Any last words?
Yeah. Me have some last words for you. Go suck your ma.
Wait.
Huh?
What are you doing? No, stop.
Shoot!
I don't feel so good.
Shoot! What them got? Yo, we need to stay inside. I'm gonna go wash my hand them too. Yo, wait, people, I don't know, say Yaadman Etan, and I want to thank you guys so very much for watching that video. Right now, I know that this is a very crazy time. In fact, this is probably the craziest time that a lot of us have experienced in our entire lives. And people them, I'm just encouraging you, please stay safe. Don't go on the road. If you do go on the road, make sure say you wash your hands. Alright? And please just practice the social distancing so we don't infect the people around us that we love. Alright? So before anything, we just want to say more big up my bridge in ALXZSA. Alright? Please click the link in the bio. Go over to his YouTube channel, subscribe, and listen to his latest single, Quarantine and Chill. If I do decide to make this quarantine thing an actual series, I gotta make sure to use Quarantine and Chill as a soundtrack. Alright, people then, big up on themselves. And make sure say wash your hands. Alright, mad.
Baby,
Yeah, baby. Why pray?
this current thing out of hand.
Yeah, man, I still want to go on one. But I well want you forward over still. But no, and just say you know for left, yeah. Left it anyway. But I've been thinking about you, girl, I want you back. So bring your body, come on, baby, broke the law.
Broke it, girl, broke it.